Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this video is about mascara hacks that no one talks about, and with just mascara you can take your lashes from this to this. Yes guys. So are you really using your mascara to maximum effect? This video is loaded with pro tips which will make you forget about your falsies and flaunt those beautiful and long lashes. So as you can see, my lashes up close, they are neither too long nor too short, definitely not thick, and sometimes not even visible to the human eye. So the first thing that we are going to do here is to get a curler and curl our lashes. Yes, my lashes do have a little lift, still I like to curl them, and just get your curler and give them a nice curl. And as you can see, the curled lashes look slightly more lifted than the ones which are not curled over here. Alright, so then have you ever wondered how do you open a mascara? Yes, there's a right way of doing it, and no matter how satisfying it might look to you, you never pump the air back to the mascara. It's going to dry it out. So the right way is to twist it slightly, swirl your brush and take it out so that it doesn't get dried up, or you can push the bristles to one side and open it. Once you open the mascara, next step is to take off the excess from the wand of the mascara, and this is so important so that you don't get any clumpy lashes. And once your wand is ready, you start applying it on your lashes, and the trick is here to focus on the roots and slightly wiggle through your lashes and just be gentle on the lashes and start painting and combing just like you're using a brush. Now here comes my first pro tip for you guys, and that is to focus on the corner lashes. Yes, the inner corner and the outer corner, which is neglected so many times, but it makes such a difference. Try it out, and this is going to give you that fanned out effect for your lashes. The next pro tip for you guys is that you tilt your head like this and then apply your mascara. This will help you get really close to your lashes, and then it is also going to protect your eye makeup. Another pro tip I have for you guys when it comes to protecting makeup is to use a card like this, and this will ensure that your makeup stays put and stays protected, especially when you're a beginner. Now this is what our lashes look like with just one coat. And now another pro tip for you guys is to let it dry. Yes, do not apply mascara straight away. Let it dry and then start with your second coat like this, and you will see the effect really coming through and your lashes becoming even more voluminous and lengthy. So definitely let it dry and then apply your second coat. Another tip I have for you guys is to use your mascara wand vertical. Yes, this is going to avoid any clumpy lashes. It's going to ensure that you color the lashes you've probably missed, and it's going to give even more volume. So try using your wand vertically and just color the lashes you feel that need a little more coloring, and this is going to give you a very nice effect in the end. Yes, almost like a doll eye effect, and you can skip your kajals and your liners even. So this is what the lashes look like with every consecutive coat. So you're definitely going to have long lashes when you use your mascara right. And this is the final look with both eyes done. We don't probably need a liner or a kajal, and a mascara alone looks perfect. So that's it guys. If you found this video informative, then do give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more such tips. Follow me on my Instagram. The links are always in the description box. Do comment and watch these two videos for more mascara hacks. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.